This is Krishnamurti, but this is Freud said society does not want man to be free in his own Freudian way.
He does not want man to be free, because freedom means, according to socials, freedom means disorder.
Civilization and its discontents, Sigmund Freud. This, bro, अगर तुम सिर्फ इस इंटरप्रिटेशन को ले लो तो मार्क्स समझ जाओगे दोस्त. This interpretation can help you understand Marx in a second. What Marx is saying before the Communist Manifesto in Das Kapital, and I've been मेरी लोगों ने ले रखी है क्योंकि मैंने बोला ओ कैपिटल इज अ गुड एनालिसिस ऑफ कैपिटल. ही इज सेइंग जो कम्युनिस्ट मैनिफेस्टो है वो कहता है रिवोल्ट करो आउटसाइड सोसाइटल स्ट्रक्चर्स के अगेंस्ट. Capital shows you how your internal psychological structure around money and commodities and capital works. And Krishnamurti is saying, दोस्त इंसान कहता है मेरे को फ्रीडम चाहिए आउटसाइड सोशल स्ट्रक्चर से, बट इंटरनल साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर से फ्रीडम कौन मांगेगा? आंसर टू द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी इज द इंटेग्रिटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. Although I do not completely agree, but we must pay attention to what the fuck is being said here. The problem of humanity is solved by the integrity of the individual. मैं कितना अपने साथ सच्चा, भला, complete और integrated हूं solves the problem of humanity. He's borrowing what Krishnamurti said about revolt against the internal psychological structure. If you think about what Prakhar has managed to do in your life through the year and a half of streaming that I've done, is ask you to start considering what is happening in here. Revolt against the internal psychological structures of your mind. Get freedom here and then watch as freedom shows up in your outside world. And Peterson says similarly, the problem of humanity, I don't extend it that far. I think तुम अपनी लाइफ सॉर्ट करो, ह्यूमैनिटी की प्रॉब्लम पे हम आएंगे कभी और, जब मेरे पास थोड़ा और ज्ञान होगा तुम्हें दे पाने को, जब तक मैं थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाता हूँ. He says the integrity of the individual is what solves the problem of humanity.